Today is Monday, December 19, 2022, and this is the hotel my family and I are staying at during our 2022 Christmas time at Disneyland vacation. It's the DoubleTree Suites by Hilton Anaheim Resort Hotel. Yep, it's a good looking hotel here. We're at the DoubleTree Suites by Hilton Anaheim Resort Hotel in Anaheim, California. This is the hotel we're going to be staying at on our Disneyland trip. Hey guys, today is Monday, December 19, 2022, and we're at the DoubleTree Resort Hotel near Disneyland in Anaheim, California. And this is a tour of our guest room that we got for this year's vacation. Okay, let's go take a look at it. Hang on, I gotta lock the door first. Okay. Over here we got a coffee and tea maker. And some water bottles over here too. And got an interesting painting right here. And there's the little desk that the coffee and tea maker is on. A trash can. A big desk with a big chair. And we also got a lamp right here. And a phone. And let's see. Oh, here's another interesting painting. The flower. And we got a couch and a table to set your luggage on there. And oh, hey everybody. And here's a TV right here. And in here we got, let's see. Got a little fridge right here. And a microwave. And some water refilling stuff. Yeah, looks good. Hang on a second. And we got another little couch right here, and a chair. And a lamp right here. And the remote for the TV, of course. And let's see what we got in the bathroom. Oh, here's another interesting painting right here of a flower. Alright, let's go check out the bathroom real quick. Got some towels in here, and washcloths, and a bag right there. And a placemat right there when you're showering. And got a sink. And some towels up there. And in here we got a shower and some more towels. And Got a shower in there, and a toilet, and the trash can next to it. And here's another interesting painting of a flower here. Yep. Alright, let's check out the bedroom part of this room. Say hey, Troy boy.
Saw dudes.
Hey. Yeah, it's my brother Troy right there in the bed.
Love it.
And there's another interesting painting right here. And these beds are like, what kind of beds do you think these are, Troy boy?
Twins.
Twin beds? Yeah, I think so. And here's another interesting painting in the room. And in here we got some ironing things in case you want to iron your clothes for some special occasion. And coat hangers, and iron, extra blankets and pillows, and a safe right there if you can see it. Yeah, there's a safe right there, and a little stool. And you got another TV, and some dressers underneath it, and an alarm clock, phone, and a remote for the second TV, and a lamp. And let's check out the view real quick out the window. This is what the view looks like from our bedroom section of the room. Yep. Alright, let's check out the other view of the other side of the room. Okay, let's see. This is Carl's Jr. over there, location. And a Carriage Inn Hotel. And the Queen's Inn. There's a place over there called The Cave. That's really interesting. And yeah, it's a good looking view here in the guest room. Okay, hang on a second. Alright guys, so we're gonna get ready for bed soon, and tomorrow we're going to Disneyland in California. Woohoo! Yeah, this will actually be the 8th time I've been to Disneyland in my life. Been there like in 1999, 2004. No, wait, 1999, 2001, 2004, 2005 during their 50th anniversary, 2008 during my 13th birthday, 2014 during grad night, 2018 during Halloween time, and now we're doing 2022 during Christmas time. Yeah, this will be the 8th time I've been to Disneyland in my life. Okay, guys. Well, I'll see you guys tomorrow for our videos from Disneyland. Okay, see you guys then. Okay, see you guys later. Bye.